Hi, this is Dan from FounderPal. Marketing strategy is critical for SaaS business. Let me show you how you can get one in under 5 minutes with the power of AI. We'll go to FounderPal and we'll already have an example marketing strategy for LinkedIn BO tool. This is a platform that allows solopreneurs to showcase their startups, and basically our ideal customer is solopreneur. So we described our business with different inputs, and now we're ready to get all marketing assets. So let's start with the foundation. What is the most important? Obviously, it's our ideal customer and our positioning. So we get a persona description, who is our ideal customer, what's going on in their heads, and this is information that will be used in our marketing later on. So the next one is positioning. Positioning basically connects our ideal customer with our product. How can we sell our product with unique value proposition, and how can we make it as authentic as possible? So this is the foundation. Next one, we want to do the market research, but in a more efficient way, because we don't have time to do it manually. We need to build our SaaS, and we can go to market analysis, get key insights about customer behavior, alternative solutions, trends. We can also go to brand marketing and understand what is the ideal way that we can shape our marketing, what our audience wants. Again, we could probably do that by analyzing competitors, by running interviews, but we don't have time for this. We need features to build, and this is essentially 80% of key insights in less than 10-20 seconds. So we get insights about our market. Now we're ready to really grow our SaaS by doing different marketing tactics, and we have 3 very useful features. First one is marketing ideas tool that generate either acquisition or conversion features, conversion ideas. And again, these ideas are aligned with our SaaS, with our audience, with our marketing strategy, so you don't get irrelevant and outdated ideas. If you are into content marketing, which is the case for a lot of SaaS businesses, you can also get ideas for your content marketing game. And finally, a lot of SaaS businesses, they do SEO, and lead magnets is one of the best ways to win an SEO against big companies. You can get lead magnets ideas with this feature. So these ideas will keep you busy during your marketing weeks when you are ready to grow your SaaS, and when you are curious how to improve the conversion rate of your funnel, you can go to features like pricing strategies or features like landing page audit to improve your marketing funnel steps and just the increased conversion rate of your existing marketing efforts. So all of these features are available right now on the platform. You can get probably all of the assets in under 5 minutes. You can personalize everything. For example, if your let's say lead magnets blog, if you are only interested into building tools and AI wrappers and you don't want to have directories on contents, you can just specify this and the list will be as close to your interests as possible. So sign up today, try the free demo, judge for yourself, and if you are ready, get a premium version to unlock all premium tools. We ship more features every month, and you will get the right marketing directions for your SaaS in under 5 minutes, and you will skip brainstorming, skip overthinking, and just go and do marketing next day. So this is Marketing Strategy Generator. We built it for SaaS companies like yours, and I hope you're excited to try it, and I will see you around. Bye bye.